is the twist for me. Do you see him out here twisting freely? Braids wear, woo, not here. Hey, I'm so annoying. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipé. In this video, as you can see from the title above and the top of my head, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do the really quick and easy cornrow flat twist. For all my short hair people, that in between stage where your afro's afroing and it's not quite long enough for you to go get braided, or you're in between braids, this is for you guys. So I was just practicing again. Mind you, my hair just became long enough to flat twist maybe like 3 weeks ago. Right before I filmed this, I filmed how I perfect my hairline. That's why it just looks so fuzzy. I'll put it in the cards either here or here. Mind you, it is 4:42 a.m. I need to go to sleep. I put a little bit of serum in my hair before filming. This is coconut milk anti-breakage serum, just to like add a little sheen and shine to my hair. But yeah, if you want to learn how I do these little flat twists or whatever, then keep on watching this video.
I am a homo. Back at it, look back at it, back at it, look back at it, back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it,
Sorry if you can hear the fan, but I just turned the ISO up on my camera so that you guys could see a little bit better. This is what I got done so far. They're not perfect, but I think they look pretty good. For like my first time cornrowing in a long time. Hey you guys, editing Felipé here. As you can see in this video, I did part my flat twist, which I typically don't do, but because I was cornrowing, I wanted them to be a little straight. In retrospect, I definitely would have used edge control just to kind of make everything a little bit more slick. Even with imperfect parts, when you slick everything down, it makes it look a little bit more presentable. That's just my personal opinion. But other than that, still think you could learn a great deal from this tutorial. No, I'm not a professional braider, clearly, but I do flat twist my own hair. I will be doing the edge control method in my next flat twist video, but starting out, you always want to grip two smallest pieces that you can and intertwine them, gripping more hair as you go along. That's pretty much all there is to flat twisting. Again, I always say make sure you pay attention to the motion of my hand while I flat twist. Grasp the motion before you try to make it super perfect. Let me know how you guys like the visual, and I'm gonna let you guys watch me. this is pretty much the finished look. Again, I would do a few things differently. I would moisturize right before. I would slick the sides of the parting down just to make the parts pop a little bit more. I would definitely do my little edge trick after flat twisting, because doing it before, there was makeup in my hairline and I couldn't grip the hair like I really wanted to. But aside from that, I think overall I did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys use to braid your hair? And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial. I know they're not perfect, but leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you think it's great? Do you think it looks a hot mess? I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!